Hello friends, welcome to Ads Techno channel. In this video I will show you how to make your USB pen drive bootable using multiple OSs. So let's get started. Subscribe to Ads Techno channel and click on bell icon for latest updates of new uploads. So friends, for this you will need a software called Yumi, and you will type this thing on browser Yumi 2.0.6.6 download. You will need this version only, as this supports the old version of Windows also. So you will type this on browser, and the full form of Yumi is your universal multi-boot installer. So type it on the browser and you will get it. So you will get some results, and you have to select only one website with this is not a paid promotion, but you can use other websites also, and type this only, and select this second website, this one, uh, this one. You can read it from here, open this website from here, and this software is not so big of 500 to 600 MBs. It is just of 2 MB, and in market there are many other softwares which you can use. Here is the Yumi, which is on the first number. I will use it. And here this is multi-boot USB. You can use this software also. And here is Xboot. You can use this also. And here you can see this is Sardo. You can use it when you are multi-booting in Linux. This supports Linux, so you can download it on Linux and multi-boot on Linux. So here is the website. You will see an interface like this, 2.0.6.6. It provides link 1. You download from link 1, and here it is redirecting, so you can close the old tab. Here you can see the link will appear in 3 to and 1 second. Here you click continue, and if the link expires, you please comment me below. I will upload a new link on the description, on the comment section. And here you can see this is the Google Drive link, so no worries of speed. The speed will be higher, and no need of high speed because this is just a 2 MB around software. So it's loading here. So after loading, you can see here this process has been downloaded.
A few inches later.
Here, and you can see it is running very fastly. Here I will show you. This is unconfirmed because it is scanning for viruses here. See scan.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
And it is available now. So run it as administrator. Right click here and run it as administrator. So after running as administrator, so close the browser here and give the permission here. You can close the internet because no need of internet is used, and here click agree. You will see an interface like this. It will show you to select a pen drive USB, and here no USB pen drive is inserted, so I will insert mine. So here after inserting it, you can see this pen drive is inserted, and I will show you after formatting it. See, some amount of data is there, so I will format it, and click on start here and click OK. Now you can see the data is formatted here, and the pen drive is empty. So I will select here on the software. I will use this new pen drive which is formatted, and I recommend you to install on more than 16 GB of pen drive because it is recommended highly, but this is a tutorial video, so I will only use 8 GB of pen drive. So 16 GB and more is enough. Now you can see my pen drive is showing here. I will select it and it will show many options here. I will select NTFS format, FAT32 format, and here you can select as many as OSs you want to multi-boot here. I will Ubuntu is also there, and Linux also, and many Android x86 and many operating systems are there. You can select one. Here you can see that multiple windows here. This option is not in latest version, so you should download this version only. Select this option, and here you can see this version. You would have to download it, and now it is telling to browse. So we'll browse the ISO image and use ISO image only, or it is showing a distro image also. If you want to use, you can use it, but I recommend to use ISO image only. Here in other data, softwares, here I will select Windows 8. So we will multi-boot Windows 8 Pro and Windows XP. So Windows 8 Pro, here ISO image is selected. Now we will create it and it will show a warning. This is a warning of it creates MBR partitions and it formats your pen drive. So remember to keep a backup and click on yes here. After clicking on yes, you can see a log here. This log files, it is a log, and here the process is ongoing. This process is of 7Z and the speed is 4 Mbps, so it will take some time. The remaining time it is showing that 15 to 14 minutes here. So we have to skip the video from here. So we will skip it.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So friends, here you can see that the process is nearly completed and 99% is completed here. The size of the ISO image is also saying it is showing here 3721 MB. Now it is completed and it is copying some files for booting, and you can see all finished, process is complete. Now you will select here next. After you select next, it asks you to select would you like to add more ISOs distros now on E, it means my pen drive. I will add more, so we will select yes, and here it will show you interface. Again you went to a Linux, you can multi-boot Linux and Windows together also, but we will choose only Windows XP. So we will again go to that menu and select multiple windows here again, and it shows to browse your Windows XP ISO, so I will browse it. I have a shortcut on desktop and open. Here you can see that it is supporting, so green color has been appeared, and we will select create here, and speed is more fast than Windows 8 as the size is also small, and this is the data on my pen drive now, and you can see I will show you the properties here. Nearly 3.67 GB has been used, which is the ISO image of Windows 8. So here the process is taking a long time, so we can skip this also.
A few inches later.
So after skipping this, we can see that this is also nearly completed, and 95% is completed here, and the speed is we can say 2 Mbps, but this is slow from Windows 8. Here the process is completed. Here we can select again next for creating more ISOs on more multi-boot. We can select more OSs to boot it on the pen drive, but my pen drive, I will show you here, 3 GB is only available, and it is not sufficient for any other operating system. So I will click here no, and here you will get a confirmation message that it is completed. Now I will select finish. Now to check that if this is working or not, we have to restart it. so it cannot be possible to record on the BIOS. So switch to mobile. So friends, after switching on to camera mode here, you can shut down, and I will shut down here. Now my PC has been shut down. Now we will restart it. When you restart, you can see this type of interface. Your motherboard name will be appearing here, and you have to go to boot menu. I will select F10 and we will redirect it to boot menu. Here you will select your boot device, and my pen drive is Toshiba trans memory. Here you can see it. So select onto your pen drive here, and when you click on enter, I will click on enter here. You can see such type of interface appear, and here this interface of Yummy multi-boot USB can be, you can see it, and here we can go to this option and you can see this install Windows 8 and Windows XP. Here you can install any of this, and this method is working correctly. So if you want to go to your back to your HD booting, so here you continue to boot from your hard disk and it will boot in normally. I have to select enter and here. And if you like this method, so please like the video and share the video, subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon for latest updates, and comment below if any problems. And thank you and goodbye.